I need to do mine again.
Hello YouTube, this is my We the People Trust 2011. We the People bars, salt plus headset, and stem. And we did I think that's salt forks and a salt plus hub with pitch raw tires. They're bigger on the front. And then we got the frame, 21-inch top tube. Yeah, look at that, it's an orange. Yeah. And then We the People pivotal seat. It's suede. It's nice. Cranks, and then pedals, and then 25 tooth sprocket with a just a stock chain. I'm running brakes at the moment. A smaller tire on the back, and a salt plus hub. I'll give you a hub sound. Yeah, there you go. There's just a little hub sound there. It's a lot louder in it's a lot quieter in the video. Yeah. Well, it's my bike, and I'm getting some custom parts soon, so be able to put some more videos on it.